and versatile industrial edge computing gateway will definitely your best and must choice. Supporting MODBUS 485 rupees, Ethernet IP, CAN, rich I/O interfaces, Zigbee, BLE protocols. It can be used as protocol converter gateway to make protocol translation, or an industrial IoT gateway to collect data from all fieldless devices, then upload data to the cloud servers through TCP/IP. It is able to implement agile connection, real-time data optimization, and intelligent analysis on the IoT edge, reducing data flow between field sites and data centers, and saving expenses in internet band. DSGW-081 is an outperformed and versatile IoT hardware, widely used in industrial automation, energy management, predictive maintenance, building automation, and so on.